How to add captions in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Select the clip that you want to transcribe and then head up to Window and go down to Text. In the text menu, we want to make sure that transcript is selected and then choose the blue transcribe button. Next, we want to play through this transcript and ensure that all the wording is correct and then choose the Create Captions button. In here, we want to drag this window up and expand it down and customize these to how our video needs them. In my example, I need short captions for a reel, so I'm going to make this about 12, make the minimum duration in seconds to about 1.2 and make the line single. With all of that complete, we can then click Create Captions. With that done, we then want to select all of the captions that we've just created and then go up to Window and then go down to Properties. Once in the Properties window, we then have the opportunity to change the positioning, the size and the font. So in my example, I'm going to make the positioning central, I'm going to make the font Monsterrat, I'm going to make the size around 70, and I'm going to change the colour to yellow, and I'm also going to give it a background stroke so that we can see the text on the video there. And that's all there is to it.